Hello, I'm Esme, and this is Polyvine Decorators Varnish. This varnish is well known for its dead flat finish. It leaves your project shine-free and is also available in gloss for a shiny finish or satin for a soft sheen. This highly durable product is used to protect against finger marks, stains, scuffing, and colour fading on a wide range of decorative surfaces, including emulsion paint, wallpaper, and so much more. It's easy too. You just need to apply 2 to 3 coats and you have a durable and washable surface. If a high level of durability and stain resistance is required, then we'd suggest applying 2 coats of satin finish followed by 1 coat of dead flat finish. Thanks so much for watching. For full application instructions, further product information, and to find your local stockist, visit polyvine.com.